Here are 5 jaw-dropping examples of why AI is not quite there yet. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. The use of artificial intelligence is growing at a tremendous rate, especially with the recent release of OpenAI's chatbot, ChatGPT. Although AI comes with its perks, it also comes with its mishaps. That's especially been proven true with OpenAI's other artificial intelligence invention known as DALL-E. DALL-E is a digital imaging learning model that was released back in 2021 that can create digital images from natural language descriptions and prompts. Sometimes it can create incredible images, and there have been some that are just confusing or silly. Here are my 5 best ones to make you laugh or at least scratch your head. First, someone asked DALL-E to create the world's most expensive burger, and it came up with this burger with green emeralds instead of any meat or toppings. Next, someone asked DALL-E to create a clown world, and DALL-E made a giant clown standing on top of the earth. That is one scary and powerful looking clown. Data scientist Max Wolf asked DALL-E to create a Rubik's Cube made out of peanut butter and jelly, and this was the result. It might be my favorite one solely because it looks delicious. A friend created this one of our dogs. Here's a prompt he gave to DALL-E. A Vizsla and a Scottish Terrier meet on a sunny afternoon in the dog park in Los Angeles. One day they came across a little girl crying in the park. Her ice cream had fallen on the ground and was ruined. I'm not sure where the little girl is, although DALL-E tried its best. Finally, I had a little fun with DALL-E and gave the prompt, Kurt Knutsson holding unwrapped gifts of a laptop, iPhone, or tablet, and this was a result. It didn't quite get the face right, but the electronics looked pretty believable enough, right? Have you seen any AI disasters? Let me know over at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.